Niagara College recently implemented Honk Mobile at both the Welland campus and Daniel J. Patterson campus in Niagara-on-the-Lake to make parking for staff, students, and visitors more convenient. Honk Mobile can be used to purchase hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly parking sessions, which used to be known as permits, and can be purchased from the comfort of your home, car, or anywhere you have access to the internet. For other long-term parking options, please visit the following link. A reminder to those purchasing hourly or daily parking when on campus, parking must be purchased for the total time you are on campus, not just during your scheduled classes. Parking sessions are valid at both campuses. Got it? Great. Let's get started. To purchase a parking session for Niagara College, you first need to download the Honk mobile app. The app is available on Apple and Android products. Once you create your Honk mobile account, log in to your MyNC portal. From there, select which campus you would like to purchase your parking session for. Remember to select staff sessions, student sessions, or other sessions for your parking session type at the bottom of the page. When prompted, enter your Honk mobile username, password, and login information. Next, select your starting month and parking session length before following the prompts to answer all required information. Finally, choose your payment method. Click Pay and Park and check to make sure you received an email copy of your receipt to complete the transaction. Now that you know how to easily purchase parking sessions at Niagara College, there are a couple things to remember when using Honk Mobile. Unlimited license plates can be entered in your customer profile on the app. These plates are not valid in your Niagara College parking session until they have been entered in the parking session. Remember, only one of the license plates entered in the Niagara College parking session is allowed on campus at any given time. To change your license plate for your parking session at Niagara College, you must tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen, where you will then select the Sessions tab. Next, select the current long-term permit session before tapping the Change Vehicle option and selecting the appropriate license plate. Parking at Niagara College is authorized under municipal bylaws, and illegally parked vehicles will be ticketed. If you have questions regarding parking at the Welland or Niagara-on-the-Lake campus, please contact Parking Services Administration staff by calling 905-933-0765 or emailing parking@niagaracollege.ca. You can also visit Niagara College's Parking Services website at the following link.